Welcome to my video, an explanation of private label rights. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. Private label rights for digital information products are very popular among internet marketers. You may or may not have heard of private label rights before. When you have been online for any length of time, you will definitely know what they are. However, for those of you who don't know what private label rights for digital information products are, let me explain. Private label rights will allow you to buy a product from someone along with all of the rights that go with it, such as the source file, Word document, sales page, graphics and so on. This will give you the right to make as little changes or as many changes as you want to on the product. You can change just specific areas if that is what you want to do. Some of the changes that you can make are: 1. You can change the title or name of the product. 2. You will be able to add your own name to the product as the author. 3. You will be able to change the e-cover on the product if it is an ebook. 4. You will be able to put your own affiliate links throughout the product wherever you want them. 5. You can change, add or remove any of the content on the product. 6. You will even be able to change the sales letter so that it sounds better to you. 7. You can even change the price of the product if that is what you want to do. Now you need to know what the difference is between private label rights products and the more common resell rights. Private label rights means that you are given the editable rights to add, remove or change the product any way that you decide to, and with resell rights products you are only given the right to sell the product and can't change anything. You can sell both of these products and keep 100% of the profits. However, with the private label rights products you have a lot more control over the product than you would with the common resell rights products. I am not saying that one type is better than the other one. The one that you sell is totally up to you. However, having more control over a product can mean that you can make that product more unique than it was before. This can mean more profits for you. So you want to make sure that you really think about which one is more important for your business. One other thing that you want to remember is that with the private label rights you will be able to add credibility to your name. This means that when you have your own product, people will be more likely to believe that you know what you are talking about. This is not always true, but it can be, and it can mean more profits for you. Plus, with private label rights for digital information products you will be able to have your own product without having to go through the hassle of creating that product. This will save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. That way you can concentrate on selling your new private label rights product. These products are definitely worth buying if you can afford to get them. You just want to make sure that you find a product that your customers are hungry for. The more they want it will mean the more money that you can make from it. So take the time needed to find that perfect product that your customers will gladly hand over their money for. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified.